Nice. Mm. Hmm. Wow. Does not hold. We had a nice little winner there, but it did not hold. BBGI, red to green. I like this a lot. I actually like this a lot. Mm, a little high. Mm. Nice.
ATPC may resume in less than a minute. ACCL may resume in less than a minute. BBGI may break in 10 seconds. IRBT. HGL may break in 10 seconds. ACCG may do it. BBI. OTT. PRO. IRBT. CGL. ACC may break in 10 seconds. ACC.
Mm, mm,
CGL. ACC voltage outside. IRBT. PRAB.
mm,
HUI. WRB.
mm.
PLAB. Orano. BMNU. BMNG. BBGI may run in 10 seconds. IBIO. BBGI. AFJK may resume in less than a minute. DAKT. PLAB. HEPC may resume in less than a minute. BMWOK may resume in less than a minute. IBIO. DBI.
Mm,
HUI.
yeah, I didn't find a good entry.
CR.
Did not find an entry that I liked.
WRBY.
The only thing you gotta do is just chase it here. You gotta chase it at like 780, 790s.
BAKT. BMNU. Jason may run in 10
Alright, we'll
seconds.
see.
BBGI may run in 10 seconds. SKY.
Mm, mm. Yeah, I have such a hard time holding this. 'Cause it just looks like it's gonna flush, but man. Okay. That was a beautiful entry too. Not the worst entry, but I had such a hard time holding that. Ah, that sucks because that could have been a huge trade. In at 61, out 59. Yeah. Wow.
RGTV.
61, and I wanted it lower, dude. I saw that thing in the 30s and 40s, but I got filled 61. I mean, that's the best I'm gonna get, I guess. Anyway, I had a trade right here, and I had a trade right there. Fumbling this move, brother. But that's okay. I'm still alive.
BBGI may rest in 10 seconds.
This is very risky up here. 1, 2, 3, fourth. Is it gonna go into a fourth hold? It needs to hold down, but yeah, there you go. Too risky to take it in. Ooh, false hold though. No, this is lose-lose situation here. All right, looks like a higher resumption in 9. We're gonna take a dip in a rip here. Hopefully there's a nice dip under 9. We can take it. Ah, so I had to shoot one share so I can get Thinkorswim warmed up there. Man, I didn't jump on it. Jeez.
ENVB. JNTD ENVB side. ENVB. WRB1. RKLB. ENVB. SEEG. HSBC not being the last one is. RT on it within the last 1 minute. ENVB. ENVG. AFTV. ENVR. HSBC more than 10 seconds. WRB1.
Nice little push would be nice here. Nice.
ENVB. ENVG.
I'll take it right there.
BOIG. APLD.
71. You can size up here. Below 71. Looks kind of decent for a breakout here.
WRBY,
CGTL, HSP,
ABBS, ASTS, MIGI, BBGI may run in 10 seconds, RKLB,
MIG,
ASPC may run in 10 seconds,
CGTL, HSP,
WRBY may resume in less than a minute. ASTS, RKLB, RKLB, FL1, ASTS, JMG may resume in less than a minute. ASPC vaulted to the upside.
CGTL, BABDW,
No.
WRBY,
These are longer holds, I see.
ASTS, RKLS, FL1, WOK may run in 10 seconds.
CGTL, BABDW,
RKLB, WRBY, JMG may run in 10 seconds. ASTS,
I need
FL1,
one more minute here for this sort of ABCD. 10:33, this one. Oh, I missed the second assumption.
BBGI,
We'll see. Making some moves there, making some progress here.
ASTS, HSP, FL1,
HSP, JMG,
Okay.
and DLS,
ASTS,
Come on, man. I need this. I like it to move a little faster on my setups. So there you go. Avoided that. Maybe a double bottom right there.
HSP, JMG,
We'll see. Okay. BBGI.
ASPC may resume in less than a minute.
This level, probably gonna take much smaller size. Over $10. At 600 shares, 600 shares. It's pushing it here. But at over 10, 600 is way too much. So it's IC 1/3.
WRBY,
JMG,
No idea where to get in, man. And it's like chasing it. I have to chase it. I have no other choice to chase it. This one might have been good. I wasn't prepared for it.
ASPC may run in 10 seconds.
There's no dip here. It just kept going. Here, I think there was. I forget where I took it. But my initial trade right here, it was spot on. That should still be holding that one.
BBGI,
Anyway, what are you gonna do? You get one of these stocks that could make you a great move, and you just got to dial it in super early because you know you get that big profit, you get confidence, then you take a more aggressive trade. When you don't see an entry, you're like, whatever, I'm getting in. This stock is strong, and you're able to capitalize that way. Me, that I'm sitting kind of flat, trading it up here is very risky. So managing my risk, made 27 bucks here, not bad. Down 50 on the other one. So it's just kind of a small red day today, I guess. Okay. Beat. What's another attempt?
MIG. W, okay. EGT,
HSP will remain open 10 seconds.
EGT now.
IGT.
W, okay.
ENVB.
VWAP is 35. Below VWAP.
AMG.
Hmm.
EGT now.
Get that VWAP, not bad.
W, okay.
Retest VWAP.
CJ.
Retesting VWAP.
RGTV.
I'll take it. I pressed it. What's going on? Huh?
AMG.
That took a little bit of time to fill. No, I'm not happy about that. What's going on? I'm traveling, so is it my Wi-Fi? What's going on?
JMG.
All right, I gotta trade it. Anyways, I gotta learn how to trade these stocks. So we may see this thing keep going higher. So I have to be careful. 100 shares, nothing crazy. Could lose 50 bucks at most. 1230, dip somewhere in the 11s. Fine, I'll take that. Wow, that was insane how fast that was. Yeah, that's just straight down. Yeah, that's crazy. Straight down. All right, well, let's see.
MTB.
LTV.
We're swinging flat. Might come down. Let's take a look at what it does. I want to see some price action. I want to see this give me like 2-3 minutes of price action, price movement. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty hard. If it goes straight into a hold, we'll see. We've got 11, 1035 to hold down. Okay. Dip under 11. Interesting dip there. that. All right, we might take this next candle here. If we continue to hold this area, we might take this next candle. It's looking pretty juicy here. Don't go yet. Wait. I wanted that candle to wait a little longer. Now there's a huge dip here. What's it gonna be? Massive dip. Massive rejection there on the 5 minute. Looks like it's rejecting. Double bottom right there, maybe 1050. 1030 halting down. Yeah. Let's look for the resumption of the hold down. That might be actually be good. So TWEP is 838, so he's got a long way to go there. Oh wow. No way. Really? Okay, hold up. Oh man, I was close to taking it, bro. I was very close to taking it. It should have helped. It should have halted down. Okay. So we did get 3 minutes going into 4 minutes of price action. What's it gonna be? 1019. Come on, just hold down. This is the biggest volume 5 minute candle here. The biggest volume on the day. 1.46 on this 5 minute candle. So a lot of churning. Also, I was looking for a trade down here, 454, missed that too. Are we gonna see a break? Oh, this would be sweet if we see this break. Nice. Can we see more momentum? Come on. Yeah. Come on, brother. 27 million. Just a little trade there. I wanted some speed. I got some speed here. I thought the speed will continue to like 90, but it's slowing down. Breakout's getting stuffed. There it is. I guess I'm not holding. Okay, here we go. We're getting some move here. 1233. If it's a false halt, we might chase it. It's a weak halt.
LTV. BBGI. WOK. ABTS. LTV.
IRBT,
BBGI.
BBRG, NTV,
ABTS.
Nice red candle would be good here. Okay, I guess not.
JMT may do in half a minute. ASPC may win in 10 seconds. IRBT,
BBGI. LTV.
MTV,
It's grinding, grinding, grinding.
TS.
495. Yeah, I traded this on Monday. No, I traded this last Friday.
LTV.
JMT may win in 10 seconds.
Wow. And we're keep going.
LCPL.
BT,
That's it. 96, nice dip. Didn't take it.
BBRG,
Biggest red candle. Yeah. Red candle volume.
LCPL.
All right. Not my style, this one. I'll see what it does here. All right. Assuming here in 13 seconds. At 14, bro. 1334 is that high. This is, I mean, you're not coming straight down, then
WOK.
NTV may win in 10 seconds.
oh, yeah.
BBGI.
False holds. This is gonna be huge, bro. All right, well, could have seen that coming. Okay. Okay, can we get a good dip on this?
TV, GT,
And that was a dip, 79. Hmm.
JMT may win. BBGI, BBGI, BTV,
75 is that low. Are you flush? You kind of flush, right? There it is. You flush. 69, 68. Where are we gonna grab some liquidity here? 68. Maybe there's another red candle. Hmm. This one, I want to get in. I want to get a dip trade in this. Here, 66. After the fact, it looks so much better. But while looking at it, it just looks like it's gonna come down further. So I don't have a good setup to buy these dips other than looking at the level 2 and trying to figure out where is a good spot where it might seem extended. Um, I have better setups, or I have my setups. My edge works on green candles going up and momentum going up. That's where I do great. So here, I would look for a dip at 88 and maybe take that for a continuation higher. Let's see. Is it going to work or are you not going to work? But this is also a higher float. Let's see. 95. I want us to get a 5. Can we get to 5? We can. We do. Maybe we get through 5 here. Fine, I'll try 94. Ooh, good fill. Good fill, but they get a good fill because it's not going to work. Okay. Nice. Good fill. Sometimes you get a good fill because it's not going to work. All right, well, took it off right there. 2 cents. 90. Maybe we could see 90 here. I would like to see 90. 90. I did. Okay, I need to commit on the next dip. Oh, wow.
W open. Invalid.
So rejection of 5, 87, 86. So 87, 87 down. Like I don't see any strong bidders. Just know that 87 is holding.
Invalid.
And to be honest, maybe that's just good enough reason to get in on this stock. Maybe that's all you need. Hmm. All right, we'll be patient because that 5 minute looks like it failed. So we may see another dip lower 82.
CDTX.
Okay, no, no. Okay, no, no.
W open.
I want to look for a dip.
EBT was in 10 seconds.
If it can hold maybe under 10.
33.
Okay, no, no.
Invalid.
EBT.
We're at 10.
No one. PCS1.
This is a crazy push.
W open.
Maybe there's momentum going higher.
Okay, no, no.
There was one right there at 10, 510, 511.
Invalid.
Can we see it again?
EBT. Okay, no, no.
W
Yes, yes.
Okay, no, no. Okay, no, no.
Getting at 7. Kind of too high.
Okay, no, no.
3, 4. Ah, I wanted that to. Alright, whatever. I got out flat there, basically. 4. Can I see 4 or 3? 4, 3, 3. 3, there it is.
Okay, no, no.
Nah. 2, 1. Support here. 2. Bounce. Bounce. No bounce. Oh, wow.
Okay, no, no.
So basically getting played.
Okay, no, no.
501.
Okay, no, no.
Yeah, so what is it?
Invalid.
So basically just getting chopped.
EBT. Okay, no, no. Okay, no, no. There's no one. Okay, no, no.
Invalid.
Anyone. Let's do that.
So the dip was right there, 501. Maybe it required a little bit more patience. Maybe a dip under 5.
There's no one.
It's so hard to catch those dips, huh? Unless I know I'm risking 2 cents or 3 cents or the break of 5. If I'm risking the break of 5, so that's 3 cents. I'll see how this 5 minute plays out and then catch the next 5 minute candle. Okay, so 30 seconds until the next candle. This looks great. And I need to see a dip. I need to see a dip. I really want to see a dip. 9, 8. There's a buyer at 7. There's that buyer at 7. Ah, nope. It's kind of like a soft buyer. Okay, we'll try a dip then to 5. We'll try a dip to 5. And this is gonna go now. Okay. Let's do it again. See, give me a dip, and then you're gonna go. Chop everybody. Give me the dip. Chop everybody. Chop them. Yep, yep, yep. I'll be patient on the dip. Chop them. And I'll jump on the dip. I will jump on the dip if you chop these people. Okay, here we go. Well, that was 14. Watch this dip. 13, 12. A little lower. That's the frustrating part, because that one time it went to 7 and it went lower to 5. This time it goes to 13 and it doesn't want to go lower to like 12 or 11. And since it's not going to do that, it's just hard to get a good pattern or timing on this thing. What we can do here is get a dip. This was a massive breakout. It's not watching it. It only came right after. Let's see if we can break through 20. Now, dip. Here we go, 11. It's not going to be 11. This time it's going to be a little lower. This time it's going to be a little lower. There was 8, but that was Too quick. All right. There's one more 5 minute coming up here. Okay, 8, 7. There's another 5 minute coming up here. 6. I don't know now. This candle looks really bad. Oh, okay. Interesting, interesting. Interesting volume there. I'll try it. It's a little high, but I think it's after that reclaim. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna go. And it actually goes. That hesitation got me a little bit. So we got to see some volume there. So when it's just hesitating and it's just not moving 14, 15, and it pauses, that pause can be dangerous. Because we're buying it up here. Look, we're buying it up here. So that pause has a high likelihood of coming down. It didn't. It actually went a few cents higher, but it's only a few cents. All right. We'll be patient on this. We'll see what it wants to do. All right, we're going to call it here. So 11 wins, 11 losses. All came mainly from BBGI. And I had this trade right here early on in BBGI. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so let's take a look. It is really unfortunate. Really unfortunate how this came about. It's really unfortunate. Such a great entry, right? Let me see. Such a great entry. And I just don't hold it. Don't let it work. I have to acknowledge risk that I'm probably risking 60 bucks, 10 cents, a break of 6, and I get out flat. Ah, that is so frustrating, man. On a great and amazing setup, when I looked at it, it looked so juicy for a breakout. And I said it in the recording a little too high because I did see it like 608, 610, I think. And it wasn't, and I hesitated for a split second, but I still got in. So I was like, okay, fine, a little too high because I wanted it like 5 cents lower. But whatever, the risk has to be the same. The risk has to be the break of 10, the break of 6. Yeah, I don't know. Uh, stuff like this, I need to change. I need to accept the risk, grow a pair, basically, and hold it. Freaking hold it. Hold it. So, anyway, this turned out to be a crazy stock going all the way up to 13. We don't really see that every day. Hold after hold after hold. We managed to take one really big trade after saying, you know what, we just got to do it. We just got to do it. We're gonna have to do it. Took 100 shares in, out. In 1180, 1172, out 1334. It was immediate, 1 second trade. Dip and a rip. That's all. It's part of the strategy. A dip and a rip instantly. Anyway, very good day. I like this trade. Not a very good day, but I like very good trade is what I mean. Next, we tried beat. Yes, beat was good. I had a really good trade right here. Higher flow, I think 30 million. Oh, not this one, actually, this one. Very good trade. Then I tried to go for a dip. It failed. Yeah, dip failed. Try to go for another trade that I held. Good attempt. I think it was a good attempt. Then I try to go for another trade for another dip. Wonder what I saw there. Maybe just another micro before the push because this area looked really nice. Another trade. Nah. And then, oh, this was a test trade. Then I tried another trade here. Yeah, so nice little dip there. No, not working. Then what is this? Yeah, just a test trade. 1 cent, 1 share. IRBT, we tried it a few times. Yeah, nothing crazy here. I missed basically all the moves. It's not my strategy. It's 30 million float. Not a big fan of it. Here, we tried it a few times in this area. And I think we did okay. These are basically my entries and my exits. So one winner there. Try to go for another winner there. One loser there. Yeah, we did what we could. Anyways, we kept the same size, 600 shares. Very nice. We're sizing up. And with sizing up comes more responsibility and more just got to be more dialed in, you know? We're not taking 100 shares no more where we don't care. If we take 100 shares, we don't care. That's exactly what I did with BBGI. Which is not that I didn't care. It's just I feel more loose, more confident in like, okay, if I lose 30 cents, it's okay because it's only 30 bucks. So the damage doesn't feel too harsh. So you're able to trade more freely. So I took 100 shares here. Um, but with bigger size, we're not there yet. We're not comfortable taking it and thinking, okay, I'm just gonna lose 100 bucks and be okay with it. We're not there yet. We will though. We will. December's looking pretty flat. Pretty flat after 3 red days in a row. Not nice, not nice. So we're gonna take this small green day, tiny green day today. Not many good days, not many strong days. Yesterday though, yesterday, yes, yesterday we fumbled it. Yesterday was a fumble. So I must admit that yesterday was a fumble and that we had to make money then. But let's not look at it that way. Yesterday's news is long gone. We have 2 more days, and let's hope for a green week at the very least. All right, so see you guys tomorrow. Also, come on, come over to Mr. Profit. What are you waiting for? Come over to Mr. Profit, dude. Like, give the free trading analysis a go. Upload a file, give it a try, see how it feels. You know, and then you let me know. Because look, I just added a journaling feature. Now you can journal right here. Today was a decent day. Bang. Let's journal it, make it a big title, add a picture, upload a file, upload a photo, save your trades, and you can journal it right. The best, I've been journaling the past few days, and I like it because I can take a look, I can write a bunch of stuff here, and I can look at my trading, my stats, and really get in the zone when it comes to journaling. So I love this feature. I love this new feature. So we're going to click save that. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit. Check out all our features. We have lots of features there that help you analyze your trading and really tune it up. Because as a stock trader, small cap trader, you might be trading a lot of stuff. You might be dabbling with mid caps, large caps. So this will tell you exactly where you're basically making money and where you need to stay. So align yourself with statistics, data-driven stats that will make you a more profitable trader. All right, so join us for a 7-day free trial, or basically for free for $5, man. It's just like a cup of coffee. It's really nothing. I'm a stock trader. I'm basically trying to build a community And hopefully you guys see the vision, see the journey that this is the best trade analysis platform for small cap day traders, stock traders in general. Anyway, and it's fairly affordable. As a new trader, you want something useful and you want something cheap because you're trading with money. There's a chance you blow up an account, you lose $300, and on top of that, you have a $30 bill on a trading analysis platform, and you don't want to have that. So this is made specifically for beginner traders, and that's also beginner trade because there are some traders in here with some big time traders. That they don't need a really confusing, really big platform like TraderView. They just need their um, they tell me, they talk to me. They just need their basic stats, their calendar. Where's the calendar? Yeah, they just need the calendar, and they're good to go. They just need to see their P&L, their fees, maybe their accuracy, and they're good to go. They're moving on because they're more advanced traders. So this is kind of really for really beginner traders and advanced traders. That's kind of the market that I'm going for, I guess. Traders in between, I think they might be, testing out TraderView, TraderSync, all these other platforms. But, at the end of the day, those haven't really helped me. What has helped me were, well, I don't want to get into it, but those platforms that definitely didn't help me too much. Anyway, so come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.